All right, day 23. All right, I'm gonna do something different. I'm gonna just show you the news. So we only have 8:30 news. I said 8:30 news, PPI, unemployment claims. Let's see what happens to the market. Market standpoint seems like, kind of consolidation on the hourly for me. So that's why I marked up my, form resistance. That's what I usually do, form resistance trade. And then, some confluences from SMC. But overall, we've been in a big consolidation, in my opinion. But right now, if so, because it seemed like we filled this 1 hour fair value gap, trying to see if we have a tap into the resistance back down before or after news. It doesn't really matter when it happens, but something I want to see an up candle, a little uptrend created. You want to get like what? All right, bet we're gonna do the update. This is the news candle. I didn't really see a crazy push from the news candle. It wasn't that bad, so I'm just gonna expect to see a trade right after the 5 flips or 2 of the 5s change for me, because it still has that movement of the news up, down, you know what I'm saying? And it was 3 folders, so this could be maybe a reversal of structure, so we'll see. This is one trade idea. I'm gonna just see that plays out. I'm not really gonna take it, but this would be the idea. Breaks below, fails, it breaks below. Boom, bam. Target the refill of the candle. Basically, I'm not gonna lie, I already got out this trade in my mind. I got out when it hit right here. Pretty much when it hit right there, I basically got to put my mind, because I seen it was gonna open with a new candle, and we already peak of the range for me. My eyes, after looking back here, we are really at the highest point of gold. It's crazy. Yeah, in my mind, that was a good trade. I like that trade. Managing on the 1, seeing those former fair value gaps pushing up. If it would have actually filled this fair value gap right here, yeah, I would have obviously got out the trade, because that would have been a continuation down. After seeing it fully filled and just tapped out a little bit, then I honestly could have just took this trade. I'm not gonna lie, it turned into a purge trade right after it dropped out of the range for me. So the trade was decent. Pretty sure it's coming back to tap into here, do a push. Maybe we'll just fill this, come back down, because it has a overlapping shelf on here, but this is the 1 minute, so they're all the same timeline. But just see what happens, see if there's any more trades actually taken here. But this was a successful test trade. And I just realized for the play I usually take, it's usually when I see like strong pullbacks after the fill or after the tap, because I usually don't take the trade from the shelves, because I don't know, the shelves, it's just oh my god, I get cooked. I don't know, but it's just because I just started using it, so I can't really say nothing. Yeah, they're usually strong pullbacks, I'm not gonna lie, if I take the trade from it. But usually when they're like build, fully, then take a trade out after like the purge of the fair value gap, it's not like strong pullbacks. Of course, for the shelf plays, I would want to see a strong pullback right after the tap into my entry. And then like right here, this is what I was talking about the final sweep, because this happened literally from news, like not this picture right here, but this right here, final sweep. I'm trying to learn more about it, but I don't really usually want to learn like random new shit, because it just fucks me up in the long run. But this one I feel like I can actually use as a final sweep. If I see a final sweep like from right here, final sweep of the fair value gap, that blue pass, I could have entered from the pullback outside of it to the upside, because it was closing outside of the resistance either way. So that could have been another confluence for mine. But that's just something I would save. Like that's why I saved that trade. I didn't take the trade, but I saved, because I could use it for next time, or go into FX plays and then see how the trade would play out. Because I usually, if I miss a trade or just found out about a certain trade from the past, I'll go into FX plays and then just play out the whole day again, be like, what could I have taken that trade, or was I gonna chicken out and just watch the play out? And that's one thing I have to work on. I don't want to just watch my plays play out, that I want to see works or not. That's just the fear I gotta get over. All right, honestly, it's 11:04. I'm gonna end it here, to be honest. I seen a good trade. I'm gonna just count that as like the trade of the day. Pretty much, it was a good trade. I don't know, saying pretty much, I'm gonna call that forward trading somewhat. I'm just forward trading on my mind. The trade played out, boom bam. But today it was pretty good. Had a bullish momentum the whole day, bullish sentiment. News came out, it was pretty much a decent candle. Just gonna come back, do it the same day, same time. I'm gonna go to FX. Pretty much what I do, I'll go to FX plays and I'll just back test the day I did, or I'll back test a certain month that I never really went through. But that's really it. Thank you for watching this random ass video. Drop a like, something like that, help your boy out, and I'm gonna see you in the next video.